Hello, thank you for viewing me. Thank you for joining me today. This is Vivian. This reading is for Pisces. Pisces. Pisces are the babies born from February 19th through March 20th. So this is a general reading, so it may not resonate to all of you. To your situation, or you may not vibe with my energy. It's okay. You can find another readers, or you can come back later on. I am new to this channel. I've been reading for a while, but I am new to this channel, so I can expand my horizon, and to whoever I can reach out to, whoever believes in tarot readings, spiritual guidance. And I would like to, for cross watchers, I would like to share about the traits, about the characters about Pisces. Pisces are compassionate, spiritual, they're intuitive, they're very good with that inner wisdom, emotional, they have wisdom, foresight, and predictable. Pisces are the fish is the most compassionate and spiritual of all the zodiac signs, and their empathy is almost telepathic. The zodiac symbol is depicted as two fish swimming in opposite directions, representing a constant flipping between fantasy and reality. And I did read like a 6-minute quick read for the week of January 19th through the 26th earlier this morning. That was like 6 minutes. So I would like to read for like a 3 months reading for Pisces, to be fair, since I've been reading for a few zodiacs, a full reading. So this will be a full reading for our Pisces babies. General reading, so this is not a one-on-one reading, so it may not resonate with you. And so this is a full reading, so I suggest you wait until the end, because we will talk about the general energy, and we have some clarification. We will talk about money, the vibes of your person, what their thoughts, intentions toward